Brain banks are essential to underpin research into neurodegenerative disorders. So we can collect the tissue, we can do our own research on it in the hope that we'll find a cure or a treatment for these diseases. The 1,000 Brains project is about understanding the genetics behind these neurodegenerative disorders. We hope to sequence the genome of these individuals and understand what genetic risk factors and what genes contribute to the disease process. To hold the information of the genetics as well as the clinical information as well as the brain tissue greatly enriches the research outcomes that we can achieve.
Institutions or research organisations like NeuRA, I think, are at the forefront. That's why I support it, because it's going to affect so many people, and it's not just the person who gets it, it affects the whole family, the community indeed.
I've got personal experience from it, how devastating it can be and how quickly those changes can take hold. We need to act now before we're allowing people to live longer but with no quality of life.
We're constantly making new discoveries, whether that be on Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, motor neuron disease. It's something that we need to continue doing if we are to ultimately find a cure and really conquer this, these devastating diseases.
And as I understand it, getting brains is difficult now these days and costly. That's another reason to support their work.
My work's really about making a difference in people's lives. It's about hopefully leaving some kind of legacy that stops their story having to be the individual that looked after their parent that couldn't remember who they were. My hope is that people don't have to face that in the future, that we can change that story and make it a different one.